Over the next 4 days, we are going to be trekking over 75 kilometers. Day 1 has begun, and look at this blue sky!
We've made the climb up to Calientes Lake. Here it is.
Okay, we're not sure, but we think we've reached the top.
We made it.
We did
Look
it!
at it. All right, we're hiking down now, and it's starting to rain.
A little after 4, and we made it to camp. Night 2, but first day hiking.
See ya. Good morning, good morning.
Good morning. It is day 2 of hiking. We have about 20 kilometers today.
Yeah, off we go into the jungle.
23.8 kilometers today.
It's a good day. Our bodies are tired, I
Yeah,
think.
so we're gonna eat and then go to bed. So see you tomorrow.
And rest up. See ya. Good morning.
And we're off. Day 3 of hiking.
We're going to have a coffee tasting.
Dried coffee bean. I don't really like it.
Wow, this is a really dark roast.
Yummy.
Debbie Don.
We're off again. We think we can see Machu Picchu, and there's a rainbow.
This is our first sighting.
Wow.
Pete's excited.
We made it to camp, and this is pretty epic.
No way. It's time for a regular cocoa tea routine in the morning.
Lots of hiking today. It's gonna be a good day.
We've made it.
Oh my god, it's beautiful.
Wow.
Tomorrow, we are going to the main event.
That's right, we hiked all the way here for a reason, Machu Picchu, tomorrow morning. Subscribe to follow along. Good morning, it's 4:50 in the morning. We're in Machu Picchu town, and we're hiking to Machu Picchu after 4 days of Salkantay trekking.
And we gotta go. We are off.
This is an optional walk to Machu Picchu, up to Machu Picchu. It's like a 450 meter elevation gain. But we decided we're gonna do it.
Because we want to say we walked all the way there. Normally what the group does and the rest of our group is taking a bus, which is what normal people do. But we decided we want to do the whole thing hiking.
So not normal. We have to hike with our flashlights.
Yeah.
That I need you to shine for. I can't see anything. But the sun should rise in like 40 minutes. Also, it's looking cloudy. So we'll see. Well, apparently the gatehouse, so we can start our hike, isn't open until 5. So we have to wait 15 minutes. So much for being early.
Having our banana now. We have 15 minutes to wait, so might as well eat some of our breakfast.
And a sandwich. Tastes like what it looks like. Okay, it is 8 after 5. The guy at the gate was pretty late, but we got our passports checked and our tickets checked for Machu Picchu, and now we're hiking. We're not alone doing this right now.
A lot of people doing this with us. We're making moves. It goes like stairs, then a bit of road, then stairs, because the road goes like this, and we're going like this.
Nice. Right, so we have to be at the top latest 6:20, because that's the expired because that's the expiration of our ticket, because we're like the 6 o'clock slot. So we have to, so we're kind of on a timeline, and plus the guy was late to the gate, so we gotta rush up here, which makes it harder.
Oh. So it's 2,200. We're about halfway. Hopefully the clouds are going to lift.
Yeah.
It's looking a bit brighter that way. But yeah, fingers crossed that the cloud over there.
The sun's coming out. We're getting some amazing views. And I gotta say, this is probably the sweatiest I've been so far on this whole trip. This Salkantay, like, if you haven't watched that previous video, we just finished that yesterday. It was amazing. We're still, actually, this is part of it too. It's the Machu Picchu day with Alpaca Expeditions, which we highly recommend because it's been fantastic. Anyhow, very humid, hot, but cool. We're gonna be able to say that we hiked the top. We make it in good time. We don't have that much time left, to be honest. This dog's been with us the whole time. Dogs love hiking with people, don't they? Little second for the dog. Devin's right behind me. We're almost there, according to my map. looks like we're really close. Imagine having to walk this to go to the city, like the city that you live in, or if you're a merchant, having to do this. It's wild. It's also really humid and wet, but not hot. It's just kind of wild. There's a city. There used to be a city on top of this. Almost there. And we're in the parking lot. 3, 2, 1.
Good job, team.
Jump. Jump.
We did it in 50 minutes. These three would have done it faster, but I was a bit slow. But we made it. I'm exhausted.
Good job, Devon.
And sweaty.
Salkantay and hike up to Machu Picchu.
Yeah, sadly we're in a cloud, but it is what it is. There was no coffee this morning, so I'm always prepared.
Nice.
Did we need two?
Maybe.
It's proper raining now, which is kind of sad because we're at Machu Picchu and we're not going to be able to see anything, at least right now. But it is what it is. That's what happens when you come in rainy season. And we're going to learn a lot about history, and it's still going to be beautiful and magnificent.
Okay, passports and tickets have been checked. We are with our team. Tino is back.
Woo,
We're doing circuit 2. We're in Machu Picchu. Unfortunately, we're in a cloud, but it is what it is. We came during rainy season, and that's life.
Look at our view. It's clearing up a bit. I'm trying really hard not to be disappointed, but I'm a little sad.
This is the ultimate Machu Picchu view. Unfortunately, you can't see it at all, but this would be the ultimate view. It would be. Like that, the peak is over there. The peak is right there, and then that old town is right here.
We're gonna go learn some things about how to begin all this. So we just learned a lot of history about this place. It's pretty amazing, and now with all the other tourists, we're waiting at the viewpoint, hoping it'll clear for even 10 seconds.
This would be amazing. It would be amazing.
It is what it is.
The Inca Empire built Machu Picchu during the 15th century. Machu Picchu translates to Old Peak or Old Mountain in the Quechua language.
It's not even focusing because it's too cloudy.
Oh gosh. It's not looking good for us today, folks.
No, I mean, you know, these things can happen. That's a little too
Weather
bad.
is unpredictable.
But hey, like Tino's shirt and like the slogan for this company
is
the journey is the destination.
We've had a lot of fun the last 2 days.
Yeah, it's
and
been
had
sweet.
great views. It's probably gonna be for like 2 seconds, but we can kind of see things and it's stunning. The mountain's going well.
You can see something over there. Yeah, over here. There's lots of crowds here, but I feel like the ceiling has lifted on us, hasn't it?
Yes, well no, it's going again.
Oh yeah, quick.
It was abandoned approximately 100 years after it started being built. Theories for why it was abandoned are a smallpox epidemic, civil war, and the Spanish conquest.
Okay, it actually just popped out, which is really nice. So it's quite busy now. But we're so lucky we can actually see it. The clouds are passing through.
I didn't think this was gonna happen, so I'm really happy.
Oh, that's really stunning. Like right now, visibility from us in the ruins are like really good.
At least, like obviously it's still cloudy, but it's a lot better than it was.
It's impressive to be able to see sideways to see where we are, because where we are, the landscape, we got drone shots of today, is like epic. We are high up in the sky on sharp cliffs. We got to see it. Oh my gosh, it's covering up again, but I'm so happy that it's actually stunning.
And it also like goes to show, like, yeah, I know some people come here on a blue sky day and you can see the whole thing the whole time.
Yeah, and you can see the entire area. Not 360, I mean, I think almost 360.
But it just makes us very grateful that we were even able to see it at all.
Yeah.
It's beautiful.
It just like emerged suddenly. Oh,
Awesome.
it's beautiful.
Now we're
Really
gonna learn some more. So the big area is where like all the farmers lived, and then there's a tree that has kind of like almost like a yard, and behind that is where the nobility lived. So it's really cool. We're learning all about the civilization. It's really awesome.
Once it was abandoned, the Amazon jungle kept it hidden until it was rediscovered in 1911. In 1983, it was named a UNESCO World Heritage Site. And in 2007, Machu Picchu was designated one of the new 7 wonders of the world.
Okay, so the site is way more elaborate and the archaeological discoveries are just like way more impressive than I thought they would be. You always see a picture of Machu Picchu from above.
The classic picture.
The classic picture, but you don't realize that there's actual like houses without roofs. This is so impressive.
So amazing. So the clouds are moving in quickly again, but this is the side we could see from our campsite the other night. If it was very clear, apparently we could see our campsite there, which is pretty amazing. Like, oh, this place is unbelievable. Okay, again, we're not a historical channel, so if you want to like learn the history of Machu Picchu, go look it up in a different video. But I do want to say our guide, Tino, knows so much information about this place, about the nature along our hikes. We've learned so much about history in Peru and making sure we're safe along the trail. He's awesome. Amazing.
Go Tino.
Thank you so much, my friends. Good. Now, yes, the idea is exit outside or live outside and then catch bus. If it's possible, why not? Is possible group lunch or not?
Group lunch.
Yeah, group lunch.
Well, well.
Wow, what a turn of events.
This turned out to be fantastic. The clouds cleared. We can see the
And
landscape.
you can see the mountain behind
Oh my
you.
gosh, I couldn't stop smiling. Our guide Tino is amazing. You're the best, man. Honestly, so cool. We have to head out now.
I think
We're on the
he's-
bus.
he's
We gotta
in
head back.
shock.
I can't believe it.
Keeps going, I can't believe we just saw that.
We just did that.
Sorry, I'm
I can't
organizing your
believe it. This is our last lunch as a group. I got alpaca meat, which is crazy, but it's a nice place, and I'm gonna try it for the first time ever. I heard good things about it. It's high quality red meat. It's good.
We're now at the train station heading back to Cusco, but I'm excited to see what the train's like because the station's really nice. It's a Vistadome. A little private section with views. This is gonna be wonderful. And roof, Vistadome means roof windows.
This is all part, by the way, this is our little space, of our Salkantay Trek with alpaca expeditions.
It's awesome. I was not expecting this. Keith literally didn't even know we took a train because I
didn't know.
I looked into it more than he did, so he didn't know we had a train
What a
until
fantastic
today.
way to get back to Cusco. Like, it's amazing. I had no
Well,
idea.
we take it part way and then we take it back.
I know, but it's part of it.
Yeah.
That's a cool way to get back to Cusco. All right, it's time to get off this train. This is nice. Go Tino,
Our band.
the last van. And we're back in Cusco. We got dropped off yesterday from the van. It was an easy transition. Kind of sad though, it's over.
Yeah, I'm honestly
That was fantastic.
so impressed with the trip overall, how organized and smoothly it went. We had a van pick us up from the train and then it drove us straight to our Airbnb. Yesterday, I can't believe it was yesterday that we saw Machu Picchu, like amazing.
Yeah.
And the trek overall honestly blew away my expectations. I was really nervous going in, but I felt like we were able to do it and it was wonderful.
Yeah, no, it wasn't too hard. It was manageable, and it was also possible to hike up to Machu Picchu from the town of Aguas, Calientes.
Oh yeah, we added
That
that,
was
little bit.
cool.
That was, we just wanted
Happy
to do
we
it.
did that.
To say we did the
And we
whole
got-
Salkantay Trek all the way up to Peru.
Lucky that the clouds cleared. But yeah, Alpaca Expeditions was sweet.
Would totally recommend
It was
them.
a really cool experience.
We have the link below if you're curious / want to book
And
your
shout
own
out
trip.
to Tino, our guide, again, who was just awesome.
If you are coming here, also I just gotta say, if you're feeling up for it, definitely do the Salkantay Trek to get there. It's just so worth it. And I feel like it's as much a bucket list thing as Machu Picchu.
Yeah, absolutely. Recommend it.
Amazing.
So that being said, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in our next adventures.
See you soon. Bye. We did it in 50 minutes. Watch out, Keith. He's gonna jump for it.
Dear passengers, the Blue Whale announces
Hey, also Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays, Gertie. Yeah. Also, Merry Christmas, and Happy Holidays. Woo!